Hello friends. Today I'm here not to talk about any ICI's new syllabus update, not to talk about any ICI's module discussion, not to talk about any breaking news of ICAI. Today I'm here to talk about myself, to talk about my CA exam preparation journey. Myself, Professor CA Devangi Shah. I teach costing for CA Inter and CA Final students. Friends, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do it right away. And friends, if you are preparing for your upcoming CA exams, I'm sure you will find this video very effective. You will feel connected. Do like this video if you feel it. Okay? So let us start with my CA exam preparation journey. Friends, when I was in Inter CA, it was called PCC. We had total 6 subjects. My office had given me total 4 months leave starting from 1st of January. I had my attempt in May. Now, taxation was my weak point, so I thought, let me prepare it first. नहीं बाद में ना वो रह जाएगा, होगा नहीं, so it may create a problem. So I started from 1st January, and friends, I did the studies in depth, and I studied for 31 days, that is full January month. But friends, after studying taxation for that many days, I was super confident in the subject that I would get an exemption. Yes, friends. But after doing 31 days of taxation preparation, mentally I got stuck. That what have I done? 31 days, just one subject. What should I do now? There are, 5 subjects, and if every subject takes so much time, ये मेरे से नहीं होने वाला. I got stuck. क्या करूं? किससे बात करूं? I had phone numbers of just my friends, no professors and all to help me out. But then I spoke to my friends. They are like, हमारा भी ऐसे ही चल रहा है. And I was like, ठीक है, सबका ऐसे चल रहा है तो चलने देते हैं. I started with next account subject from 1st February. And friends, it took another 20 days. And I was like, again I got stuck. एक सब्जेक्ट को 31 लगता है, फिर दूसरे को 20 लगता है, ऐसे ही चलता रहा तो my exam preparations are never going to get over. What am I doing? And after doing 2 subjects, and those 2 subjects were accounts from group 1 and taxation from group 2. मैं सोच रही थी, I was planning to just give one group, but कैसे करेगी? 2 सब्जेक्ट पढ़ा अलग अलग ग्रुप का. I got stuck. क्या करूं? I was like, see Devangi, you just cannot quit, है ना? You have to keep on doing and come on, do it fast. खुद को मोटिवेट करती थी, कन्विंस करती थी कि हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा, तेरे से माने. Then I took up theory subjects. I did law, I did audit. Then I took up costing FM, and then I took up ITSM. Last में मैंने IT पढ़ा था. Friends, I got just 3 days to study IT. And then exams finally burst. I gave all the 6 papers, and friends, I knew my result the moment I was doing my preparation. After writing, I was super confident about my result, that what is going to happen. I knew all my mistakes, where I had done wrong, what wrong I had done. Friends, I knew everything. And friends, this is same thing, it happens with you also. Our instinct knows everything. We just wait for that declaration to come on the result day, but we know everything from within that what's going to happen. Result came. I cleared group 1 and I flunked in group 2. And just with 3 days in IT, friends, what is going to happen? I got just 39. Failed in group 2. But then this failure, my first failure in life, friends, it has taught me so many things. Now I knew how to, study, how to manage time, which subject is to be studied when. It taught me so many things. I gave my exam the next November and I cleared group 2. Then after 18 months, I gave my CA final. Both the groups I gave it together and I cleared both the groups in very first attempt. This one failure in PCC taught me so many things. Friends, I always wish that, I could have someone who would guide me, who would ask me that, you have to complete this much at least in a day. You can't give too much time. I needed someone. And I'm sure if I would have had someone to tell me, to guide me, to ask me daily, then I would not have failed that attempt. And friends, today I'm going to tell you something very important. And friends, the important thing is right on the screen next to me. Yes, friends, I'm starting with CA Mentorship Program. Before I talk more about CA Mentorship Program, friends, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do it right away. And friends, if you get connected with this video, like this video right now. So this CA Mentorship Program is going to help you overcome problems like overstudying a subject, neglecting a subject, making mess with studies. Thoda ye kiya, wo kiya, kuch nahi hua, right? And then getting stuck, wondering, abhi main kya karu? Group 1 do, group 2 do, kya karu? Friends, I'm there for you to solve all your such plans. How I will help? Friends, this mentorship program will be a very systematic one. Okay, it is going to smoothen your CA journey. I'll be giving you a customized study plan depending upon your daily routine, your office timings, your office study leave. And with that customized study plan, I will be giving you daily targets. You have to achieve it and report it to me on daily basis. That ke ma'am mera itna padh ke ho gaya, thoda reh gaya, ab kab karu? I will guide you on every single small thing. फ्रेंड्स आई एम श्योर दैट अगर आप ये मेंटरशिप प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन करते हो तो आपका सीए जर्नी काफी आसान हो जाएगा. जैसे प्रॉब्लम्स हमने फेस किए थे, कोई था ही नहीं बात करने को, पता ही नहीं चलता था कैसे करने का, क्या करने का, बट समहाउ वी डिड इट. या बट अब हमारे पास एक्सपीरियंस है, जो वो एक्सपीरियंस का बेनिफिट आप लो और आप वो प्रॉब्लम मत फेस करो. ओके, so join my mentorship program. The Google link is given below, friends. Okay, Google form link है, वो आप भर दो. आप कॉस्टिंग बाय दिवांगी ऐप डाउनलोड करके मेंटरशिप प्रोग्राम का जो बाकी का इंफॉर्मेशन है वो ले. Okay, friends. So do like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Friends, stay positive, stay connected. God bless you, and I am always there for you. Okay, goodbye.